Okay, so right here I'm just showing you a recap of the length of my braids. So this is a lot of length to take down. That's one of the reasons why I waited a little bit longer than usual as well. So I'm just going to start by cutting off the very tips of the braids. The reason why I'm doing this is a specific method because I want to make it really easy to undo it. And starting off by just undoing the very ends is much harder than cutting it off where the bulk is, which is more easier to unravel. I know where the length of my hair lands in the front, so I'm kind of measured the braids already, and I know where my hair does not fall. So I'm basically just chopping all the ends of those skinny parts of the braids off pretty bluntly, or leaving so that I can leave that blunt end of the braid and I don't have to worry about the stress of undoing these little small braids at the end. So that's why I'm taking chunks and just cutting right across. And anybody else who knows the length of their hair, once they put all the braids to the front, I would recommend do the exact same thing. You can, if you don't have anybody to look at it toward the back. I prefer this method because I can see really well what's being cut off. And I also made sure that I left extra length so that I wouldn't be paranoid about cutting off some of my hair. So that's basically what you see me doing here. And then also what I'm going to do is show you what one braid looks like after unraveling it after having it in for so long. So this is if you're taking your braids out and you haven't watched a video on how to easily just cut the braids out so you could find a good place where to start. I think this is a good thing for you to see, just to give you a starting point and how to kind of gauge or measure that point without feeling too much stress or having to think too much about it. Just pull all the hair to the front. Know where your natural hair ends in the front. Okay, I'm still undoing this braid. It was on the wrong setting. Now it's back to widescreen. Let me pay attention to the time. So it's about to be 9 o'clock right now. This is the first one. Good thing I already ate for the most part. I feel something now. I don't know, it just felt like I finally felt my hair for some reason, but I still don't know where it's at. I hope it didn't like all fall out from wearing these braids too long. I don't think that's really possible. It's probably possible. know it's not right out there. And you know you get paranoid, you're like, did I cut it off in that one little piece right here? I think I did. For the simple fact that this has a split end. This looks like my hair. I did. I cut off some of my hair. Wow. It's totally messed up. Okay, I'm not even gonna take that part. Okay, next time I'm gonna be a lot